Hey guys, this is me, the Bombay chef Varun Inamdar, and welcome to Get Curried. Today's recipe is a party recipe. And you know what? Even I didn't know that it could be plant-based. But what I knew for a matter of fact, that it would be succulent, juicy, and finger-licking good. Today's recipe is going to be Chicken Seekh Kebab Masala. And the best part about this is, it's going to use Blue Tribe's plant-based Chicken Seekh Kebab. Let's begin. But before I begin the recipe, it's important for you to know that this packet needs to be removed from the deep freezer and kept in the refrigerator for a minimum of 45 minutes to an hour so that this thaws. I've done that already. Now, let me cut this packet and show you the plant-based chicken Seekh kebab. The reason why I say this chicken kebab is healthy is because it has zero cholesterol and high protein. So enjoy this guilt-free pleasure. Now, let's begin the recipe. For that, I'm going to use a wok and light the flame. First things first, let me chop a red onion. Onions are cut and ready. The pan is also heated up. Let's begin with regular vegetable oil. Allow this to heat, and once that happens, I'm going to add in cumin seeds. And once they splutter, chopped onions. We need to ensure that the onions turn nice golden brown in color, and to accelerate the process, I'm adding in some salt. Remember the fact that salt has been added in the recipe. Stir this well and wait for this to turn golden brown. Time to add in paste of ginger, garlic and green chilies and mix this till the raw flavor goes away. Time to add in fresh tomato puree. It's as simple as taking ripe tomatoes, cutting them in quarters and running them to a nice fine and smooth paste in a blender. Do not really bother about the skin and the seeds, it's all fine. Mix this well and cook this for like a minute or so. Let's add in some powder spices, beginning with garam masala powder. Moving on with red chili powder. Now this is Kashmiri red chili powder, so I'm kind of okay with a little more because I want that nice bright red color. And along with this, turmeric powder. Mix this well. And once this starts leaving oil on the sides, I'm going to add in a cup of water. Time to slide in the chicken Seekh kebab. Well, sometimes I question myself, why have I chosen Blue Tribe? Is it because it is planet-friendly, plant-based and healthy? Or because it is delicious and tasty? Well, some questions are best left unanswered. What do you think? Let's slide these in. Allow our Seekh Kebab Masala to cook for 5 minutes on medium flame till this is perfectly well done. And if you want to experiment with plant-based products, do check the recipe links in the description box below. One final ingredient, freshly chopped coriander leaves. And with this, ladies and gentlemen, of course the flame. And just before serving this, lots of fresh coriander leaves. With this, our chicken Seekh Kebab Masala is done and ready. And trust me, this tastes absolutely stunning. If you are the ones who are looking at making that shift towards a healthier planet, Blue Tribe should be your choice. This is me, the Bombay chef Varun Inamdar, signing off. For more such plant-based recipes, stay tuned. Bye for now.